Hey guys, can you see me in this? I'm in the woods. I'm in the wilderness. Hey guys, can you see me? So today I wanted to do this video, talk about this video about my Monstera plant. This plant has gotten out of control. It's crazy. Got out of control. And I can't see. And today we're going to add a, what is this called? This right here. A lot of people have been telling me to get this, a totem pole. It's a plant supporter because this plant needs help. It needs Jesus and it needs prayer. So we're going to add this pole in this plant. With this pole, this is a moss pole, I believe, moss-filled pole. You can water it, which will help to attract the leaves to it more. So yeah, let's get started because this plant is just so huge. It's taking up my entire video. Today I have my Sony a5100 camera. Usually I use my Canon Rebel. The battery is out and I really wanted to get this video out to you guys. So if the quality of the video is different or you can't hear me or whatever, I'm sorry. Okay? Alright. Alright, so we're going to get started. So we're going to open this up right here. Okay, it's a little messy, so just letting y'all know. Let me see how this smells. Okay, don't got no weird smell to it. It would be nice if it could smell like warm vanilla sugar. So then we're gonna open this or whatever in life. You see it right here. This is how, god dang it, this thing is messy as hell. Okay, so this is how it looks. I think this is the 24 inches. It also came with some extra pieces to clip the pole. And guys, this Monstera is so huge. Look at all this over here. This is why I need it. Look, up, down, up, down. This thing is crazy, guys, okay? So we're gonna get started. So it came with these or whatever. What is this? These right here. Okay, so you can use those to add on top of your pole or to add the tree stems to the pole and all that. Okay, so this should be easy. I have it right here. Show you guys right here. We're gonna put it right in between here. Much easier than what I thought. Look at that. Okay. So I am hoping that this works. Also, I think you could do this. Oh, that's not gonna work. The plant is too heavy. But I'm just hoping that these plants move up towards this moss pole, guys, because this right here is just not working. I need this to go like this. Or whatever. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you can see me. Hold up. All right. Ugh. I hope you guys can see me in this wilderness. But this is just a moss pole to add to your plant. It's supposed to work and have the plants move and shift towards the moss pole. So this is usually good for vine plants that have a vine, like the pothos or Monstera, philodendron plants. So I'm really hoping that this works for my Monstera because this is really the true meaning of a Monstera plant. Like, this plant is a monster. It just grows all over the place. It's a beautiful plant, one of my favorite plants. But honey, you can't just be taking up all the space. Taking up too much space. And look at this. I need you to come up here. You looking like you have low self-esteem. Bring it up. Confidence. Alright guys, if you have any questions, let me know. I ordered this moss pole off Amazon.com. Amazon ain't paid me. Nope, nope, nope. And I think I ordered the 24 inch. I think eventually I'm going to add one here. You can do that. That's what these are for also. You put it here and then add it on top. So as this plant gets bigger, I'm going to add another moss pole so it can just grow tall and have some shape to it. Because this thing, honey, is out of shape. We need to whip it back up in place, okay? All right, guys. Well, if you have any questions, let me know, and I'll see you next time. Bye.